Give yourself a bold look when you walk out in the Vines boots by Dirty Laundry. You'll adore this beautiful textile and synthetic upper that gives you a soft leather-like appearance while having this beautiful addition on the shaft that gives you some color contrast and a lot of elasticity. It's super easy to pull up this tall 7.5-inch shaft with that beautiful pull tab at the back, as well as with the zipper closure that makes it super easy to get into or out of it. Inside, you will find that there is a super soft lining as well as an insole that gives you a cozy boost of comfort. You'll adore this super chunky midsole that'll give you an on-trend modern appearance while offering an over 2-inch boost of height with that chunky block heel and a 1.5-inch platform adding some stability. The textile and synthetic outsole has lots of ridges and grooves to give you some added grip with each of your steps, and you'll adore the fact that you can wear this whether dressing up or down this season.